System starting up.
Wait to be configured.
Please input wireless router password. Click OK. Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
Connecting. Please wait.
Connect to router successfully.